In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly check how many generative AI credits you have available in Photoshop. First, open Adobe Photoshop on your computer and make sure you're signed into your Adobe account. Next, go to Help in the top menu and look for the option related to your generative AI credits or account information. If the option isn't available there, click your account/profile icon in the Photoshop interface to open your Adobe account details. From there, look for your generative credits information, where you can see how many credits you have remaining and, depending on your plan, when they reset. Take a moment to check the number shown, and that's it. You now know how many generative AI credits are available for your Photoshop account.